Welcome to the Sonnet product overview, focusing on mobile rack device mounting kits for the Echo Express 3R and the xMac Pro Server Thunderbolt 2 to PCIe card expansion systems. Sonnet's mobile rack device mounting kits provide you flexibility in choosing ways to expand the capabilities of your Echo Express 3R or xMac Pro Server without taking up additional rack space, mounting securely in a space designed into each enclosure. The basic mobile rack device mounting kit enables you to install one or two 5¼ form factor mobile rack devices, such as storage bays or media readers, and easily connect them to cards installed inside the Echo Express 3R and xMac Pro Server. Sonnet also offers pre-configured kits that include the devices, cables, and PCIe card. You provide the bare drives to complete the package. The Storage Expansion by 8 edition supports 8 2.5-inch drives. The Blu-ray Mastering Edition is configured for users needing an easy way to read-write CD, DVD, and Blu-ray discs. It includes a 6x BDR Blu-ray burner optical drive and supports 2 2.5-inch drives and 1 3.5-inch drive. The Pro Media Reader Edition is configured to enable you to ingest files easily and quickly from S/S, P2, and Compact Flash HD video memory cards, and offload the files to multiple drives. It includes Sonnet's QIO-MR Thunderbolt Edition Pro Media Reader with Thunderbolt interface adapter and Thunderbolt cable, and supports 4 2.5-inch drives. The Mac Pro Migration Edition is configured to support 3 3.5-inch drives and makes it easy to migrate drives from an old Mac Tower into a new Thunderbolt 2 to PCIe card expansion system. The Data Archiving and Storage Edition is configured for those needing both extra storage expansion and the ability to archive the data to an LTO tape drive. On its own, it supports 4 2.5-inch drives. You must also purchase an LTO tape drive to complete the package. For the Mac Pro power user, consider the Thunderbolt 2 to PCIe card expansion edition. This chassis supports 3 low-profile PCIe cards, allowing you to ultimately connect 6 cards in your expansion system, and load balance across 2 separate Thunderbolt buses by installing the highest bandwidth cards in separate expansion chassis, each connected to a separate Thunderbolt bus. With the added capabilities offered by these kits, the 3R and xMac Pro Server maximize valuable rack space and simplify secure external expansion. Thank you for watching this Sonnet product overview.